Losing weight on a GLP-1 initially was one of my main goals with beginning this journey, but now it's just become a bonus side effect. Quick little backstory, I've been addicted to sugar my entire life. I have not been able to have a meal without having something sweet. I just love sugary foods. You know how some people are addicted to drugs? Well, I was addicted to sugar. Right now in my life is gift basket season. So I have a couple friends that just had babies. I have my kids that are about to go back to school and I'm making gift baskets for their classroom. So as I'm shopping for the gift baskets, right, I'm filling them up with treats and like all these types of self-care items. So one of my favorite treats in the world are these. If you ever had them, they are so delicious and so good. I could eat an entire bag of these to myself in one sitting, or at least I used to be able to. So when going shopping for these items, typically my mindset before GLP-1 would have been, oh, Cam, this is your favorite treat, pick one up for yourself. It was just a no-brainer for me. However, this shopping trip was different because I looked at one of my favorite bags of chocolates and I asked myself, I had an internal conversation. It went like this. I was like, hey Cam, that's your favorite bag of chocolate. It's like a no-brainer for you to pick some up because that is our favorite treat. Then the GLP-1 version of me was like, actually, I don't even feel for that, nor am I craving that. And once again, and this happens so many moments, almost on a daily basis. This is what we call like the food noise reduction. My mind was just completely blown. Never in my life have I been able to have that type of self-control. And mind you, I started GLP-1 because I wanted to shed the baby weight because I had 2 kids back to back. And I'm like, okay, like, let me get this weight off of me. But I gained so much more than weight loss. I've never in my life have experienced this type of self-control or discipline when it comes to sweets. And I know to somebody else who's not addicted to sugar, you're probably like, girl, like that's not that big of a deal. Like who can't say no to a bag of candy? And I understand how it can sound, but for me, I wasn't able to. And even coming to the realization of how I think now versus how I used to think, sometimes it even makes me embarrassed at my older eating habits. And mind you, I've loved candy my whole life. I've competed on the challenge for years and years, and I survived running up mountains just eating gummy bears and drinking beer. Ask any of my castmates if you don't believe me. It wasn't affecting my body in a way to where it's like, okay, I can see, weight being gained due to my unhealthy eating choices. However, that mindset that this medicine comes with is what makes me love it so much. You know how many times in my life I had to challenge myself or tell myself, hey, okay, like let's go on a diet. We're gonna cut out sugar. And it's always just been so hard for me. This medicine has helped me in so many ways. Not only is this medication life-changing, it's actually life-saving. Eating all that sugar that I was consuming would have been in no way beneficial to my health. And it's so crazy to me because right now, even with a lot of the health insurance companies, they're giving people a really hard time to access this drug. And it's literally out here saving lives, including mine. And I know everybody's experience is different. For me, what GLP-1 has done to my mindset is way better than what weight loss has done to my body. Being disciplined is everything, and having that mindset is everything. And in my case, 30 years later, I needed help, and I don't feel ashamed of that. It has allowed me to think in a mindset that I've never done before. This medication sometimes makes you feel not as hungry, but for me, it just makes me feel a lot more disciplined because even before this medication, sometimes I wasn't hungry, but I had no discipline and I was still making unhealthy choices for my body. So yeah, this is just another day in my life loving my GLP-1.